Hello traders, welcome to a new video at Easy Trading channel. In this video we will see an amazing trading strategy. We are going to trade with 2 exponentials moving average, MACD indicator and buy and sell pressure indicator. The time frame will be 4 hours. In this way we will avoid the noise of lower time frames. Anyway, remember to make your own backtests before trading with real money. Also, you can test this strategy in any time frame since the market is fractal. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps us to continue growing and allow us to offer more similar content. These are the indicators that we will use in the strategy. 200 period exponential moving average. 20 period exponential moving average. Moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Buy and sell pressure. These are the settings for the indicators. Our first indicators are 2 exponential moving average. Go to tab inputs and set the first EMA length to 200 period and set the second EMA length to 20 period. Then go to tab style and change the color of the EMA. We use these 2 EMA as a trend filter. If price is above both EMA, the trend is bullish, and if price is below both EMA, the trend is bearish. Second indicator is MACD. We use the default settings. MACD gives us the main signal to enter the market, a bullish cross of the MACD line and the signal line below the 0 line for a bullish signal and the opposite for a bearish signal. Our last indicator is buy and sell pressure. Go to tab style and uncheck buying and selling pressure. Finally, change the width of the color 0 and 1 histogram. This indicator will give us a confirmation to enter the trade. Green histogram for long trades and red histogram for trading shorts. These are the rules for a long position. First, MACD line cross above signal line. It's important that the crossing occurs below the 0 line of the MACD. Second, price must close above the 200 period EMA and 20 period EMA. Third, to confirm the trade we need a green bar in the histogram of the buy and sell pressure indicator. Finally, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop loss order at the previous low. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. For a short position, the rules are the opposite. First, MACD line cross below signal line. It's important that the crossing occurs above the 0 line of the MACD. Second, price must close below the 200 period EMA and 20 period EMA. Third, to confirm the trade we need a red bar in the histogram of the buy and sell pressure indicator. Finally, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop loss order at the previous high. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. That's all guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.